Hi, I'm John Noter, Director of Government Affairs for ISSA, the Worldwide Cleaning Industry Association. This is your update on the top 3 legislative and regulatory issues impacting the cleaning industry right now and how you can stay engaged. Number 1, call to action. Tell Congress to pass the Healthy and Safe Workplace Tax Credit. We've heard from Capitol Hill that they are interested in looking into including our tax credit that will help cover the cost of some increased cleaning and other workplace safety expenses like PPE, workplace reconfiguration, air filtration, and others. We believe this is a unique opportunity to try to get this included in a future bill that could potentially pass Congress. Along these same lines, the House of Representatives is marking up an estimated $3.5 trillion package with hopes of a full package, the details of the full package being announced in the next couple of weeks. In the backdrop of all this, we also have a potential vote on the infrastructure package, as well as the need for a government funding bill by the end of this month to avoid a government shutdown. If you'd like to take action on any of these issues, please go to issa.com/take-action. Late last week, we also saw President Biden released his 6-point COVID-19 plan, which includes vaccine mandates for businesses of more than 100 employees, as well as federal contractors and healthcare workers. There's also includes an expansion of the economic industry injury disaster loan program, as well as a streamlining of the Paycheck Protection Program. Lastly, 7 million unemployment recipients saw federal unemployment benefits end on Labor Day. This includes benefits for part-time and gig economy workers, as well as long-term unemployed, and an end to the $300 enhanced federal unemployment supplement. No states to date have announced an extension of any of these programs. This was your Cleaning is Essential, 3 things you need to know right now for the week of September 13th. If you'd like to receive ISSA's legislative and regulatory update via email newsletter, please go to issa.com/take-action to sign up to become an advocate for clean.